Hello everyone, welcome to Front-End Developer in 6 months. Once again, my name is Mayowa. So today we'll be looking at, getting VS Code on our system. Uh, some of us may not know what VS Code is. VS Code is a code editor. It's an environment in which a developer write codes. I know there are many code editor. We have Atom, we have many of them, so I don't want to go into that. But today we'll be looking at how to download VS Code. So now the first thing we do is go to our Chrome. Okay, so let's type VS Code download. So I'm going to pick this VS Code download, right? So from there, we select this one. Okay, select this one, right? Then you see this one, you click this place. Once you click this place, so I'm going to click it, it starts downloading. So let me go to, you see, it starts downloading. So I'm going to cancel this because already I've downloaded it. So I'm going to cancel it, right? So let me pause it, rather, let me pause it and then cancel it because already I have downloaded it. So I'm going to go to my stuff. So I go to downloads. So this is it. I'm going to launch this. Okay, I'm launching this now. Okay, so the next thing to do is accept agreements. I click on accept agreement, click on next. Check where you want it to download to, Microsoft Office program. Okay, you can browse if you don't want it there. So, but I'll click on next. So I suggest you do the same. So Visual Studio Code, click on next. Okay, so before you click on next, look at this. Don't create a start menu folder. No, so don't check this. Just leave this one like that. Then click on next. This is where we are going. So you need a desktop icon. So select this, and select this. Okay, so we are good to go. So click on next. Okay, and then you click on install. So that's all you need to do. It will install and it will create a shortcut icon for you on your desktop. So once you do this, you have your VS Code ready to go. So in the next video, I'll be showing you those extensions that you are going to need, because I don't want to take much of your time in this video. So we'll be looking at extension we are going to need on our VS Code for the purpose of the class we want to take. So click on finish. You can see that's it. This is our VS Code. You can see everybody. This is our VS Code. So I'm going to drag it because I'm not showing on my screen. So this is your VS Code. I want to believe this procedure is simple, so you can try it on your own end, and that's just it. Thank you.